So first, always remember pare, and the technique is lock all the axes. See?
Okay.
Lock this. Oh, it's mixed now. See? Okay. So lock. First, always remember that they are all in the right position. See? This must be in all the right position. This is the right position.
That's fine.
This, the motor will be facing in the screen.
Okay.
So you will not be lost once you make it balancing. This is the guide. So the motor will be placed on the screen. The motor will be in the screen. So all lock must be locked. And this. You slide it here. Okay. And then lock.
Lock.
So now you are safe. Then you will start front and back. This must be center. Okay? Front and back. This camera will be center and level. See? Center. Then lock. This one lock. Up, I move little. Then center. Next, this is the X. No, Y. This motor. This is, I just called it by myself Y.
Okay.
But there's I forgot the proper position. But this is my point of view. Okay? So lock it.
Lock now.
Everything must be perfect. Balance here and here. Next, let's go to X axis. X motor.
Okay.
Okay, whatever you call it, but so you can remember.
X motor.
Yes. See? This one, it's very hard to push in, push out because there's a teeth inside. What technique I'm doing? Lift, then push by your finger. See? It's very simple. When you move it, adjust like this, it's very tight. So, what you have to do? Lift and push, sway. See? See? Lift, push little. See? That's the fastest way. Okay? Then lock. There is little movement, but enough. Okay. Now, the last thing is this one. This is the last thing. See? This one is okay. Okay, now it's okay. Now then, how to turn on the gimbal? Long press. See, when you see the logo is opening. Then, confirm. Full calibration. Okay, but calibration will do the rest. Okay? Good. So, calibration is complete. Now, you can handle it. You will feel that the gimbal is not properly balanced. There is a shaking. See? There's nothing, no shaking. Okay, hold it and feel. How does it feel? There is any shaking?
No.
Nothing, right?
Yeah.
So I'm number one, right?
Yeah,
Who's number one?
Yeah, you are the number one.
Yeah, you're right. Okay.